Well, hey there everybody, welcome back into the kitchen for a very random video. This is in fact an egg hack video. How many of you out there have difficulties separating your whites from your yolks when you're dealing with, well, some of those interesting egg recipes? I found a fascinating water bottle hack to do that. I figured we'd give it a try, and I'm going to show you guys how that works out. You know me, real or fail, I like to know, so here we go. We have one of Bunty's finest, and she makes some very thick eggshells. So I've kind of been forced to take this cracking it open with the knife approach. There we go. Ah! Luckily it's a thick shell and we don't have any shatter issues. So they say, and I ask you to forgive the crinkle here, that all you've really got to do is squeeze some of the air out of your water bottle, pop it over the yolk, and it sucks right in there. And lo and behold, it sure does. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I don't know if I can use that for what I'm currently separating eggs for or not, but we'll find out. So we're going to dump my white. We're going to dump the whole bowl into my whites, and I'm going to start again. So now that we've got our replacement bowl, I had to screw up something here. You can gently deposit at least a single yolk out of there and it would still be intact. In theory, I could have used this for the fluffy eggs, but I did the old-fashioned store it in the shell. Neat little hack. It does work. Don't throw your bowls around, but hey, you can separate egg whites and yolks with a squishy water bottle. Thanks for checking out this quick kitchen hack video. Take care, everybody.